Hi everyone, welcome to my walk. Last video we made some potstickers. We put it in the freezer, and today I'm going to show you how to cook them. These delicious potstickers has crunchy wings. Let's get started. Non-stick skillet is the best for frying potstickers. Let's put 1 tablespoon oil into the pan. Turn the stove to medium-high. Line the potstickers in the skillet. Make sure do not crowd the skillet. Leave it some space in between. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of flour with 1 cup of water. Pour into your skillet. Your skillet may have a different size, but make sure the water covers at least 1/3 of the potstickers in height. Cover the lid, let it steam for 10 minutes. You may have to adjust the stove to prevent overflow. While potstickers is cooking, let's prepare our dipping sauce. First, we need 2 cloves of garlic. Chop it up really fine. This supreme soy sauce is great for dipping. If you cannot find supreme soy sauce, you can use any kind of soy sauce that you like. About 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon Japanese seasoning vinegar. My homemade chili paste, 1 teaspoon. I will put the link down below. And a few drops of sesame oil. Give it a good stir. The sauce is done. Let's go back to our potstickers. After 10 minutes of steaming, remove the lid. Let the liquid reduce. You can see the bottom starting to brown. And that browning stuff is the wing that we gave the potstickers. Shake the skillet. If the potsticker coming loose, then it's ready. These yummy potstickers with crunchy wings, and it's so yummy with the sauce. Let's give it a taste. It's really good. The sweet soy sauce with the chili paste together. I'm glad I put in lots of garlic. It's just out of this world. It's so good. Amazing. Now you can fry the potstickers in your home and make them with lots of wings. It's so crunchy. Let me grab. That's the wings.